Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Volcano, local and long distance movers near me. When you are making a distant move, everything required is doubled up. Be it workforce, time, effort, and manpower. Everything doubles and the headache is still not over. You are also expected to have all the time and required permits and licenses necessary for moving across the borders. But worry not, at 3 Movers, we have all the license and permits that you need. Additionally, we don't force our clients to pay the taxes that the state or the national governments charge. Everything is taken care of by us. You just require to pay our fees discussed beforehand. We also ensure the safety of all your belongings. We wrap up all your belongings in the best packing material, and our highly skilled staff handles all of your objects with extreme care. Who will spend money on professionals when we have to travel even less than 10 miles? If you also think so, you cannot be more wrong. Firstly, without the right equipment, it is impossible even to move your goods a mile, and just in case you do any damage to your goods by any chance, you'll end up spending much more than required. So don't hesitate to hire professionals even when moving locally. Apart from relocating your goods to your location damage-free, we also ensure to deliver your goods to your desired location within the same day, hence saving you a lot of time which you can use to explore your new location. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Volcano moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.